My car is trying to tell me something. What do you think? It looks like it wants to eat some corn, or it wants me to eat some corn, or maybe the both of us. What do you think? So we're gonna be unboxing this box. On a previous video, I had actually mentioned what we already have installed on the car. This is really kind of just the plans that we have for 2021. I'm more than sure what's in this box can be done in a day. I just
open it, Ralph.
I just can't open it and just install it. You know, I do have a day job. I work full time. This is my daily driver. You know, it's like most people that might be watching this video. But in the previous video, we talked about all the mods that we have. That's the list, yada yada yada. So I don't even know. Open the box, bro. I don't even know what's in the box. Okay, it's been a while. I ordered this for Black Friday. So think about it. November, December. This box has been sitting for about a month and a half. Oof. So
let's go.
Without further ado. Oh. I don't know. Should we do like multiple videos to see like what every item is, just to like build the suspense? What do you think?
Like, oh, we're gonna cut this commercial.
So, man, if I had like an ad, I would put an ad right now. Help me get there. Help me get there. All right, you ready?
Oof. You ordered cardboard paper.
Cardboard paper. That looks like a win to me. All right, so what we ordered here. All of this was ordered directly through Iag website. Their website actually got upgraded. It actually looks a lot nicer. It's really like user friendly. So I ordered everything for this, of course, for this 2012 STI. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Now I finally have it ready. So, oh, you know what we should do? I think this is a perfect opportunity. Check this out. We should unbox each item. Okay, well,
in one video or what?
Yeah, like let's just stack it up.
That's it. That's it for this video.
That's it for this video. Look, let's stack it up right here.
All right, what
Flex Fuel ethanol sensor kit.
Oof.
Okay.
Cobb.
All right. Ready for the next one? Cobb fuel pressure sensor kit.
Oof.
Okay. What do you think about that? What do you think about that?
I'm cobbed out already.
All right. AEM in-tank fuel pump.
Oh.
All right. So that's three. That's three. All right. Are y'all keeping track?
Three boxes.
Now we have an Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator.
Whoa! I had to get another one.
Had a fuel pressure regulator. All right. So fuel pressure regulator. Okay. Now I have, this looks like injector dynamics.
Whoa, that looks cool. I like the box.
Okay, now this looks like 1050 cc's. All right, obviously 4 because there is only 4 cylinders. Obviously.
Bruh.
All right.
You want to tell me the next one?
I think this one is the IAG gauge with the liquid gauge for the fuel pressure.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's what that is.
That's pretty cool.
I actually already have one of these. This is some Iag Phelanic Spacers, 8mm.
Okay.
All right. We did a video, I think, on this unboxing.
Yeah.
Yeah, just to show that it came with gaskets. We'll link it somewhere so you can watch that. This looks like a plug-and-play kit for the injectors. I don't even know.
I think it goes on my car, dude.
You wish. You wish. All right, so there's more boxes in here, so I'm gonna still keep on going here. So we have a Perrin turbo inlets, black, also for the 2012 STI. As you can tell, we've been very eager to install this or open this up. Like, this has been sitting for days, all right? There's more boxes to come. This one is IAG top feed fuel rails, gold. Oof. Gotta go with the gold theme. All right, ready for the next one? Here we go. This one is from IAG.
Oh, finally.
Billet top feed TGV housing. Forever. So
I've been waiting for those.
Kind of waiting, moving some spots over. And this last one, I actually don't even know what it is. Let's see. This one is IAG PTFE fuel line kit with Cobb Flex Fuel sensor kit.
Wow.
So yeah, honestly, I feel like we
more.
have some of what we need. I think this is just kind of the beginning of what I have planned in my head for the silver STI here. So let's come around here. Let me show you what we got. You might want to turn on the light because it's dark over here. All right, let's see. All right, so I am going to add on to this, and I'll add another separate video, is I'm more than likely going to do the air pump delete here. So that'll free up some space here. I'm going to do the evap delete over here, right? And as you can see, I still have the OEM top mount intercooler. I'm planning on upgrading that. What I have in mind you'll have to wait and see for another unboxing video. So that will come with this.
The suspense.
The suspense is going to be killing you just as like it's killing me to open up all those items there. So we're more than likely going to go to a front mount intercooler, because I don't know if anybody has gone this far, but whenever you add that Iag Aero separator here with all of these lines, the octopus here causes so much issues, especially with what connects to the actual turbo over here.
Oh my
It is beyond a nightmare, and I am tired of dealing with it. So to make things a little bit easier, make life a little bit easier, we're gonna move it to the front, and we're gonna try to match what we have here already. You can kind of see our Process West oil cooler up here in the front. We're gonna try to kind of go with this kind of theme, obviously down here with the front mount intercooler. So the only other thing that I have left is, of course, the front mount intercooler, and I think we're gonna go to an external wastegate. So we'll be running E85 external wastegate front mount intercooler, running E85. So that actually sounds like a lot of fun and a lot of power. Well, more power than what this car was originally designed for. So look out for those videos. They're gonna be coming a lot. Hopefully more frequently than we have been in the past, but now we have a better setup, a better area where we can do these installs and take our time to install them and record and show everybody how we're doing it. Some of the stuff we've never done before, so we're gonna be doing it and learning at the same time. So you will actually see our struggles, so that if in case you have those same struggles, you can see what we did and how we overcame some of those problems that we faced. And yeah, just keep an eye out for more videos coming soon. Make sure to like, comment, tell us what you think about the video, see what you want, tell us what you want to see, what you like, what you don't like, and see how we can make it better. And don't forget to subscribe. How's your corn?
Hard.
Well, mine is cheesy.
Bro. Have some serious cheese in there. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Comment below which one would you get? Elote in the cup?
Marinada with hot Cheetos.
Man.
But don't forget to subscribe. New videos, probably and most likely every single Friday. Yeah, so more to come, especially a lot of corn.
Bruh.
Hope you like it.
Some